Welcome back to Richly Small, where we take a look at tiny living in a richly fulfilling way. Today we'll be looking at another model by Champion Homes, the APS 527B. The APS 527B offers 399 square feet of living space, one bedroom, one bathroom, and a loft option. So what do you think about 527B? Again, Champion has another winner on its hands with this one. We give it a 4 out of 5 stars for a wonderful design, and we love the outdoor porch option that gives you additional living space. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.